Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt in the Storm Warn Center, tracking quite a few showers and storms out there today. Looks like another decent chance for rain tomorrow, and then some extreme heat builds in by the mid portion of the week. Let's talk about it here, and I want to start off with a picture that captured. I took a couple of days for my weekend. Nicole and I went down to the Gulf Coast, and on our way back today, we encountered quite a bit of rainfall, and this was right there off the Wells Bridge on 331, Clyde Wells Bridge, just north of Destin, looking towards the east. Isn't that a lovely picture? You always hate to leave the beautiful scenes like this, but if you do capture a great pic, you can send that to us, pix@wbrc.com. You see my Twitter there, at Wes Wyatt Weather. Get a lot of pictures there during the day. So let's talk about the radar image. I want to move over here to Viper and zoom in a little tighter on where we're seeing some of the rain now. Looks like a pop-up here north of Gadsden. That's traveling towards Hoax Bluff and over here around Ashland. Had a decent storm there around Anniston, even Tuscaloosa, quite a few lightning strikes there just outside of Northport earlier. But the storms have popped up and they've weakened in a few areas, but still quite a bit of rain to the north, and some of this could start to work southward tonight. So we're going to hang on to the chance for a shower or storm tonight. But this is the view that we had earlier. We were tracking a storm in this direction. I posted an update online, and the sky was completely dark in this direction, but now it looks like a few breaks in the clouds, and again, very hit or miss. That's going to be the case. Just a quick passing storm or shower, and then the sun's back. That was the story today, and I think more of the same for tomorrow. So expect those temperatures to remain on the steamy side, highs close to 90 degrees with these scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now tonight, you'll notice that this shows a chance of rain through 8 o'clock, but I would not be surprised to hear a rumble of thunder even as late as 10. Let me show you why here. If you look at our simulated radar, you can see by 11 o'clock our model is hinting that we may have a little bit of rain trying to slip in here from the northwest overnight. So we're just going to hang on to the mention of a shower or thunderstorm. It won't rain everywhere, but the chance for a shower or thunderstorm will remain in the forecast. Now tomorrow, starting around 7 o'clock and especially into the afternoon, the atmosphere is still primed for some scattered activity, so we're forecasting some storms. And the motion today with the wet weather has been more northwest to southeast. I think tomorrow, if you hear some thunder on the horizon, we're going to be tracking most of this moving from west to east. So if you're watching the weather app, that's going to be the direction that we're going to be tracking a lot of this wet weather tomorrow. If you look closely here, look across southern Illinois, Kentucky, southern Illinois. This is a lapse that goes back through the early morning. You can see that swirl in the atmosphere. That's the upper level disturbance, and it's carved out a trough that extends southward across Alabama. So the showers and storms have been able to fire today, and tomorrow looks like a similar setup. Plus, we may get a strong surge of wet weather moving in here from the southwest. We got a high pressure that's going to be building in from the southwest direction, a mid-level ridge axis, and what this will do, this warm air aloft is just going to put a lid on the atmosphere and allow that heat to really build through midweek and late week. We're talking extremely hot conditions here by Wednesday, Thursday, highs in the mid to upper 90s, flirting with 100 by Saturday and Sunday. We're talking several days with extreme heat, so get ready for that later on this week. With it being so hot, I'm going to mention a chance for a shower or thunderstorm, but most of us will stay dry. So plan ahead. You have a big job going on outside. May want to give yourself an hour or two early head start Thursday and a Friday with those highs approaching 97. Let me see here. I went with 98 on Saturday. I'll have those specifics, so coming up on the news tonight at 9 and 10. Hey, if you have any questions about the forecast, you know where to find me on Facebook, Wes Wyatt Fox 6, or on Twitter at Wes Wyatt Weather. I'll see you tonight beginning at 9 o'clock on Fox 6 WBRC. Be sure to join us.